In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. If you're looking to dive into affiliate marketing or simply add another stream of income, promoting ClickFunnels can be an excellent opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the initial steps of joining and promoting the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Before we start promoting, the first crucial step is to actually join the ClickFunnels affiliate program. The great part is, this process is quite straightforward, and better yet, it's completely free of charge. All you need to do is visit the ClickFunnels affiliate program website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to register. Simply fill out the necessary details to create your account. Don't worry, it only takes a few minutes. Ensuring that you have your account set up is vital, because it's your gateway to accessing promotional materials and tracking your commissions. Plus, being officially registered sets you up to start earning right away. Once you're signed up, it's time to think about how you'll spread the word about ClickFunnels. The key to success in affiliate marketing lies in understanding the product and its value proposition thoroughly, as well as knowing your audience. ClickFunnels is a robust tool that marketers use to create effective sales funnels. These funnels are designed to help businesses convert visitors into leads and then into customers seamlessly. Understanding this and being able to communicate its benefits to potential customers is essential. Now that you've grasped what ClickFunnels offers, leveraging content marketing is a powerful method of promotion. Create valuable content that resonates with your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, educational videos, or podcasts where you review ClickFunnels, highlight its features, and explain how it solves common problems marketers face. Providing real examples or case studies of successful sales funnels can be incredibly effective in persuading others of its value. Social media is another fantastic avenue to explore. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn have massive audiences waiting to discover tools like ClickFunnels. Share tips, tricks, and use cases on these platforms to engage with your followers. You might also consider joining groups or forums where you can participate in discussions. Make sure your contributions add value and avoid coming across as too promotional. Authentic engagement can lead to more meaningful connections and, in turn, potential conversions. Finally, don't overlook the power of email marketing. If you already have a subscriber list, draft a thoughtful email sequence that introduces ClickFunnels to your audience. Explain the advantages of the tool, how you've personally benefited, and why you believe in it. Personal stories and testimonials can build trust and credibility, resulting in higher conversion rates. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Building a rapport with your audience and establishing trust through quality content will enhance your affiliate marketing efforts over time. So, good luck with your affiliate journey, and don't forget to track your progress and adjust your strategies as you grow. Happy promoting!